So we got Mo, Larry, and Curly Joe here. And yours truly.
You're the other Joe.
I'm just the not so Curly Joe. And we're here today doing something from these guys. All Tech Hobbies. Only 3 months late, but they did give consolation prizes for the patients. So they gave us a King Max fuel pump. So now I can modernize my fuel system. And of course, you know, sexy wear. We'll be wearing this. What are we doing today? Well, we're going to be, no, not those guys. We're going to be taking apart this little thing. It's a Seagull Models Super Chipmunk. Yep.
How big?
99. How do you do sign language 99?
99?
99.
Oh, 9? 9.
99.
Yeah.
Not German 99.
No, this is Scuba 99.
Scuba 99. Okay, sure. 99-inch Super Chipmunk. And you saw the unboxing of the engine before. That's going in here. So we'll pass this to the cameraman. But before we pass this to the cameraman, he's going to hand us a knife. Something sharp. Oh, my God. This guy has...
Too quick.
Yeah. All right. Here.
Where did it come from?
Whoa, there you go.
Howdy. All right. First things first. Is this going to be a box in a box? We'll figure it out soon. All the way from Vietnam. Let me see. Yep, it's going to be a box in a box. So we're going to need someone to stand all the way at the end there. Actually, maybe.
Oh, hang on. Let's open this into the euro.
Sure. Here's the knife. So I think the one thing in common with anything that goes in a container is there's going to be a box in a box in a box. All right.
Ben, come here.
And I'm going to drop this over the side.
There we go. We can drop that on the side. Now this is the real sexy box. Look at this. Look at this. Ugh. Now that's a coffin. All right.
Hey, Rob, you can I'll grab it from you here.
While you're there, let's see if we can just slide the cover off this. No staples, you can just slide right out. Ooh. And then we'll put this on that side.
Let's go on this side.
Yeah, give it to me.
Okay, here. Hand it off to the back of the studio.
Watch the planes there.
Oh my God, this is going to be an issue. It's going to be an issue. Okay, where's that knife gone? There we go. Thank you, sir. So, here's an issue number one, which is not a bad issue, is it's got to fit in the car in one piece. Because this is one big sucker.
And it's not removable, is it?
No, man.
You sure?
Whoa.
There's bolts here.
Holes there.
There may be, but I'm not so sure. So that's obviously the elevator, and unlike certain extreme flights, scale elevators.
Ooh, there's a knife in your back.
Yeah, it's not
No,
his
it's
back.
not.
He didn't make it. Yeah.
We'll check out the rudder rolls later.
Yeah.
But it's 2 servos, I know.
Yes, two
Yeah.
circles. Yeah, I just happen to have a whole bunch of Free Sky F-bus servos. Oh look, you get this. All a bunch of good stuff already.
Actually, is it? Oh yeah, this is the pen drawing scheme. There's 2 sheets in here.
Yeah, man. All right, and wings. Let's take a look at these ones.
Oops. Oh, the surfaces are hinged this time.
I don't know.
It looks
They
so.
are. Oh my God, that saves a whole lot of time.
Have it?
Yeah. Look at that. Oh no, they're hinged, but they're not glued. So I have to glue that. I have to glue the aileron hinges. You see this?
Was it like that last time, or did you
No.
have to?
I had to hinge the whole thing.
Show us what you're saying.
So here, all the hinge marks are put in. It just needs the epoxy to be put in there to hinge the surfaces.
Okay, got it.
That's nice. And this one, the flap hinge is already done. Because
Let's go.
on the previous one, on the 88-inch one, I had to hinge each and every one. So that's beautiful.
Hot carbon on the front there.
So I think it's, yeah, it's some kind of laminate.
So these are drop hinges, right?
Yes,
So these are going to be flaps only.
flaps only. That's cool.
So let's put that, and we can use the back of
Put
this
on
box.
the,
We can put this box.
Put it on the freezer.
Oh yeah, just move that thing underneath. Yeah. Okay.
Nice thick airfoil.
Yes, nice thick air.
Very thick airfoil.
We already saw the other side of that.
Actually, you can go back in the back.
Yeah, move
Oh, I
that.
see something that needs modification right away. I thought they would have fixed this, but not. No, it's not. No mods required.
No mods
Oh,
required.
it's done.
Yeah, very good.
Nice rudder.
Very pretty.
Very pretty. You can put it back in the bag. Nice divider. And let's see what else is in here.
The airfoil, right? Right.
So theoretically, that FS85 rotomotor will fit within the cowl. And that's a pretty sizable cowl. All
Let's see.
fiberglass,
Let's
It
get
seems to
there.
be a vent or something stuck on the bottom.
vent stuck.
Oh, styling.
Styling, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's it.
A la full scale.
Okay, show us the front. There you go.
Nice.
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 Very good.
Yes. Stuff it back in here.
How does that attach to the fuse?
What's that?
How does that attach to the fuse?
Oh, we'll find out. But in the other one, there was a ring that you attached onto the fuselage and you had to put screws in. Okay, what is this? Look at the size of the wheel pants.
Oh, some big pants.
Those are some big pants. Interesting things. We'll figure out what that's
Jacket
for.
looks like maybe.
Ah, the sliding canopy thingy that allows you to slide the cowl back and forth. Instrument panel.
Let's have a close up on that. There you go.
That's cool. Oh, wheel gear legs. That's nice. Let's see. What else is coming together?
Canopy. Ah, you got a proper carbon wing too.
Yes. This time, instead of aluminum,
Yes.
it's carbon fiber. And yes, here's the canopy. The cowling canopy has to be cut. Because this is an actual sliding canopy which slides backwards and forward. Which is really cool. Because on the last one I actually put my switches and my fuel fillers inside the canopy.
What do you cut the canopy with? Granite?
What's that?
What do you cut the canopy with? Granite?
Yeah, you use special scissors to cut
Oh, canopy scissors.
canopy scissors, yeah. For,
If you want to cut them, these
okay,
guys.
we'll pack that underneath. And then over here, I have a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. Oh, look at these wheels.
Wow.
Must be 5 or 6 inch wheels.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 inch. These are nice.
Now look at these.
Squishy. They're nice.
These are the actual landing gear. Very beefy, real oleo struts that compress. Gorgeous.
Nice.
And comes with a 750cc fuel tank, which is perfect. And here's that ring I was talking to you about. That glues on the front of
The color.
the
How?
No,
F1.
the fuselage, and then there's 3 bolts that you have to mark and drill through.
Oh, okay.
That way, you can adjust the cowling back and forth to suit your engine. That is cool. And here are the little navigation lights. We have the inside the cowling itself. You put the landing light. There's red and green, and then there should be a flashing strobe for the rudder.
Very good.
Nice. Ooh, look at this tail wheel.
Yeah,
Yeah, there it goes.
Yeah.
That's a pretty tail wheel.
That is a massive, heavy-duty tail wheel.
This is interesting right here.
Yeah.
Oh, your pull cable was going through the tail wheel, it seems.
Yes, that is going to be
It
nice.
look like wires.
Yep. And look at this. It comes even with a nose cone for the engine, because the real Chipmunks didn't have spinners. They actually had a little hub cover, just like this. And look at that. It comes with its own engine standoffs and bolts. So this is quite complete.
Let's get that.
Yeah, engine standoffs with bolts.
Nice. Very good.
And the hinges for the elevator and rudder.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Wow, this is going to be nice to put together. What else do we have here? Oh, just in case someone silly wants to make it electric. You have supplemental.
There's an electric wheel.
Yeah, this is a supplemental
Engine
engine
mount.
mount. So because it extends the engine.
Maybe that's for yours as well.
No, it's not.
I think it might be his place, though.
Could be a whole firewall. I don't know.
No,
That looks quite deep.
it is very beefy.
Raining down.
The other one came with it too. It's for electric. And it comes with different.
You will go back in here and you
This. It's rough, but don't hit it.
I won't tell you this is right.
Okay, now the fun part. Aside from opening the entire plane, I'm gonna probably need help on this. Yes.
Watch that knife under the.
Got it.
Yeah.
Now let's see.
Hang on.
Let's put some of this.
Protected from the table.
Not too worried. He's gonna get grass all over.
After David's cleaning spree.
Yeah, after David.
One of
Yeah.
these.
Look at that.
Polish that table.
No, that's what you got.
This is awesome. And what is this? Let's loosen that.
Oh, well, that's cool. Let's go from this one. Yeah, come on. Yeah, I'll do it. Okay.
So why don't we just remove this instead of, well, maybe we'll use it the way it was intended. Nah, yeah, we'll figure that out. But this is where the pilot normally sits. There's the canopy that'll mount there.
Is it fiberglass? No, it's not fiberglass.
No, it's wood.
Just built up a filler behind it.
Yeah. Imagine the people in the factory having to, you know, do this, all this stuff. By the way, this here's a slide. The canopy slide fits here, and then you just pull the canopy back and forth. There's magnets here, like in the other one. So I'm gonna remove this, and we're gonna take a look at inside. Look at that. This one has lots of room. Oh, it's quick connect. Look at that.
Who thought of those?
Yeah.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, that's the way to go.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, now the servos for the rudder are back there. The servos for the elevator are back there. The servo, the only servo that's in here is for the tail wheel.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where does the elevator servo live?
Elevator servo is in here.
That for rudder here.
Yeah.
Oh, how are these held on magnets or something?
No, you screw them in.
Also, they're just sitting there right now. Then.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This isn't glued in. This is screwed in.
Yes, that's screwed in. So with the rudder in place, there's no way to, maybe there's a way to remove that by twisting the rudder. So yes, you can disassemble, but then you'll have wires.
Yeah, but we have wires on our planes to assemble these days. It
really
could
pretty.
It could be a way, you know.
And I
But
think
actually, I'm going to take this out if you're going to.
this is removable too. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's a piece of tape here. Look at that. That's lots of access.
Okay, now it's starting to look like a possible electric airplane. Because you can actually get inside this one.
Yeah.
Any ideas, Rob?
All right, coolness. Well, it's got 2 servo ports up front for the throttle, but this is weird because you have the center line up here and the hole here. I'm going to have to cut most of this out. Should be interesting.
Yeah.
All right, that's it for now. We'll talk to you soon.